How to download the proof of balance on Commonwealth Bank application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to download the proof of balance on Commonwealth Bank application, first of all head over to the website or the bank app. Once that is done, tap on the log on or sign in button to get started. Now that you do so, from the home page choose the account for which you need the proof of balance, such as NetBank Saver account or other saving account. Then you will see a Manage option for the selected account. Under the Statements and More section, you should locate and tap on Proof of Balance. Now on this page, you can tap the share icon in the top right corner of the screen. You can scroll down to select that is Save to Files or similar option. After that, you can confirm by tapping Save, and the proof of balance document is now downloaded to your device. However, saving or downloading may depend upon your device as well. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.